This kid couch has become the most used piece of furniture by my kids, and with its overall quality, it has held up really well. Let me start by showing you how you would receive this. This comes vacuum sealed for easier shipping. As soon as it is opened, it will immediately begin to take its shape. Allow for some time for it to fully form, although it doesn't take long at all for it to take its shape. My kids could not wait to try this out. This can be used in multiple different ways, which is perfect for us, especially during movie nights, because we can very easily adjust this from a couch into a bed. The material of this on the outside is very durable, and even though it feels like it can be easily wiped clean, the outside material can be unzipped and machine washed. The padding on the inside is thick, making it so even when I sit or lay on this, it keeps its shape and is still very comfortable. It isn't too firm or too soft. It also has Velcro to hold this in the position of your choosing. With this couch, you can create this to fit your comfort level, and with its size, it can fit more than just one person comfortably. It's super easy to switch this from a couch to a bed or a bed to a couch. To give an example, here is my son being able to switch it. Even my 6-year-old wanted to try to interchange this. The pillows are also a thick material, just like the couch, so they also add to the comfortability of this, and with their size, they're great to lay with when this is in the bed position or to sit with. This is lightweight enough to easily interchange, but it's heavy enough to stay in position. Coloring is also great because it is able to easily match our decor. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this has become the most used piece of furniture ever since it was gifted to us from the seller to tell you all about. We love how comfortable this is, how easy it is to change positions, and how easy it is to clean. We love this and we highly recommend it.